Hello guys, this morning we are in Suphanburi. It's the last day, finishing up here. So the guys have opened some music and very relaxing day today because the guys are almost finished. Me and the head electrician, we have some work left to do, but these roof guys, they just have some small details left and then they are finished. So here's the main MDB that we are connecting to. And here's the T10 three-phase hybrid system that you have seen in other videos. Using the high voltage batteries. More than 10,000 cycles these batteries last, so you're talking about over 20 years. And the good thing is how fast the UPS is. It's ultra fast. It only takes less than 20 milliseconds before it when you have a power cut, it goes to the UPS in less than that time. So that's the uniqueness of this system, that it's able to switch so fast. So up here is the Wi-Fi dongle, but we like to use cable anyway, because this system can take both Wi-Fi and cable. So we actually connect both, because it's just much easier to have cable compared to Wi-Fi. But we need the Wi-Fi for the setup, so that's how that is.